So this is something that I wanted to record, something a little bit different beyond what I could do in a community post, simply because I wanted to explain my rationale. I am going to do something new for this channel. So for those of y'all that have watched my tutorials or my topic videos, this is going to be a little bit different. Now, for those of you that this is the first time you ever come on my channel, welcome. It's going to be a fun ride. But I got to thinking a lot about, I talk a lot about pilots that I work on, especially in this world of AI. And while, yes, I can explain them, I could really never go into depth because they're corporate NDAs, the whole likes. Well, I decided I wanted to do something a little bit different, a new series. Now, this is going to be a very long running series that I'm going to do probably about once or twice a week. But I want to have a pilot with all of you. And this would be not a me do, this would be a we do. Because this one, I will actually want feedback, things to try or whatnot. And basically, what I want to do is, while there is a lot of doom and gloom or a lot of hype about AI right now, especially AI when it comes to development, I want to, rather than sit back and either be the hype bro or the doomer, I want to actually, I am a computer scientist. I want to do something scientific. I wanted to do something where I will come up with a hypothesis. And then all we're going to do is run an experiment, a very, very long running experiment. What we're going to do will be in the next one whenever I actually kick this series off. But I wanted to go past all these videos that people are putting out and display it exactly the way it happens. This would be a case of little to no editing. If mistakes are made, fine, I leave them in. The only editing I can actually see is if things take a long time. Some of these processes might sit there and spin for 10, 15 minutes. I'm not going to let you sit through all that. That would be torture. So I will compress those down. I will cut those out with the understanding that every single one of these experiments, every one of these trials, you're going to see everything there. This is going to be as real as you could potentially be without you having to pay for it. Well, I'm not going to really go into exactly what we're going to build. I will say that we are going to build a real system. We are not going to look at the toys that you see other people do. We're also not going to jump to the end. We are going to see how that sausage is made and do this. This is the type of work, whenever I talk about pilots that I work on, this is the kind of work that I do. Tracking the numbers, figuring out, coming up with, is this even going to work to begin with? I don't know. And so this would be things that we're going to find out together. And we're going to, especially as these tools change and things come new, we're going to try them out again on my dime under my very strict, uh, basically requirements. We are going to have a real budget. We are going to treat this as if we were building something real as a solo developer. And so this would be that weekly episode of what's going to happen, what are we going to build this week. So I did want to, again, wanted to come out and say what I wanted to do. Didn't want to just drop in the community, oh, we're going to create a new series, because I'm seeing too much out there. And this, of course, on this day, this is July 1st, the day that Fable came back to life, and I have been playing with that a little bit. I will say that Fable will not be part of this experiment, and you'll understand why when I tell you what some of the requirements we're going to have. But this felt like a good day to say what's there, because you're going to see a lot of the hype or a lot of the naysaying, and the fact that the statistics right now is that 88% of people are very negative against AI. I don't want to say be negative or positive. Let's be practical. Let's see what it really is. And once you see what it is, then you make up your own mind. So hope you enjoy this. If you're looking forward to this, definitely hit subscribe. I am setting up the environment. Again, I'm going to make this as clean room as possible so that the work that I'm doing on the side, for clients and whatnot, is not going to interfere at all with this experiment. We're going to basically do this scientifically. So I hope you enjoy it. If you want to participate, obviously you want to subscribe to the channel and hit notify, so whenever I start putting these up, because again, I don't know when this is going to happen, probably within the next 2 weeks. And I don't know how often I'm going to do these videos, because it's really going to be how fast do we actually burn up our weekly or our 5-hour limit, if you can tell what tool I'm going to use. So enjoyed bringing this to you. Again, I wanted to state this rather than write this, so that if you have any response, think about it. Drop anything in the comment section. I want to hear from you, because again, this is going to be there will be participation for this one. I will be taking feedback as we go. We are going to try things together. I look at this as a potential of a nice crowdsourcing knowledge gain, and I can only do that with all of you out there. So I appreciate you watching, and I'm looking forward to doing this here pretty soon. I do want to make one additional thing before I go. The tutorials and the topic videos are still on. This is going to be in addition to, believe it or not, I have tutorial material ready to go. I just got to push, shoot, and go. I have outlines for everything already set, probably for the next 4 to 6 months. So I have all this stuff. It's really just getting the time to sit down and actually hit record. So that's going to happen on top of this series. So looking forward to doing it. And until we put it out, bye now.